there was an FT report that the Trump administration was looking to fast-track the AstraZeneca-Oxford University vaccine for approval before the election. Given the data you've seen on the progress of this study and the studies that are taking place, would that even be possible?
Well, I'm on a board of Pfizer, as you know. Pfizer and Moderna's trials are enrolling quickly. I have less information about AstraZeneca's trials, but Pfizer and Moderna, as of the end of last week, collectively had enrolled 25,000 patients in their 2 pivotal studies. I think if the vaccines are very effective, so they're about 70 or 80% effective at preventing the onset of COVID or reducing symptoms, it's possible you can get a readout in October from one of those trials. It's more likely that you're not going to get a readout until November because the vaccines probably are going to be about 50, 60% effective, and it's going to take a little longer to get a readout from those trials. But if they're very effective at preventing the signs and symptoms of COVID, you could get an early readout. But I wouldn't expect that. I would be anticipating that you're going to get a readout from these trials probably some point in November. And I still think that, a vaccine available for mass inoculation is a 2021 event. It's possible you'll have it available this year for select populations under an emergency use authorization. And the first availability of this vaccine will be under an EUA. The first group to get this vaccine is going to be a high-risk group that's going to get it under an emergency use authorization.